So what are the issues that DevOps solves? So really the fundamental issue is, what problem are we trying to solve here? What DevOps addresses, for an organization at least, is people doing the wrong thing well. It breaks down the silos. It helps us focus on collaboration. It brings us consistency. For an individual, what DevOps gives you is an understanding of the team nature of IT going forward. So what we're doing is empowering teams to make decisions. So we need to understand how empowered teams benefit an organization. So learning DevOps lets you see an individual as part of a team and the teams as part of the organization and how they can deliver without being buried in the bureaucracy that some other approaches may have given you. And to be honest, without being buried in the bureaucracy that many large organizations have built for themselves without outside help. So learning DevOps gives you that 3-level structure. It helps the individual understand how to work as part of a DevOps team. It helps the DevOps teams deliver relevant things at a relevant time frame with automated support. And for the organization, it helps you get the benefits of those at least semi-autonomous teams and how we take that forward.